instinctive, particularly through the covers, very much on target, and they're just placing the balls nicely. Once in a while, there would be deliveries that go down. It's just not sheer power hitting. It's more of deft touches, lovely pushes, sweet timing and the placement. And this was the one, that big appeal that was given, and that first wicket of Imam ul Haq went down.
And then this was the over where Azan hit and hit for 3 consecutive boundaries. The short ball wasn't working in the last few moments of the second day's play. They showed more confidence, both left-handers, both debutants, dealing with everything that was thrown at them. Some very good looking shots, and they've been strong. This was the opportunity missed. Could have been 2 down. It wasn't to be.
They've lost the wicket of Imam ul Haq, but tell you what, the 2 debutants have been very, very impressive in the manner in which they've just played sensible cricket, the manner in which they've negotiated some tough moments, and in the manner in which they've shown their skill sets. As youngsters, they can take a lot of credit in bringing Pakistan back into the game.
129 scored in these 36 overs in this session. They've lost Imam ul Haq in that, but what a start they've provided, especially the 2 youngsters. 179 for 1 for Pakistan, and they look to have won the sessions. Abdullah Shafiq there, the batting coach, very happy. You've got to give it to them. I'm sure we've said it many times about how Azan always, and then later Abdullah Fazal has batted, but it's on many levels very special. On debut, both of them against pace, against one of the guys being rapid pace, and lots of things go in your mind. You're playing your first test match, but they've looked very seasoned. 85 to Azan and 37 and counting to Fazal, and don't forget Imam also did well.
Well, the bowlers have struggled. It's just a lone wicket for Mehdi Hasan Miraj and everyone else, and going at not a good-looking economy rate, and that's been the problem. Tajul quite miserly with his economy, but a lot of work to be done by the bowlers when they come back tomorrow. Look at the session highlights. Imam ul Haq and Azan came in and they played the shots nicely. The shots they played very